Now, most of you know the name Bill Belichick. He's considered to be the greatest football coach ever, and he's used this mantra for years. If everyone does their job, the whole team will be successful. Pretty simple, right? And it works. Here's how that relates to OpsCheck and how it relates to the tasks that management designs. If you follow this simple concept of tracking and ensuring that every job is completed, every deadline is met, and make every person responsible for signing off on their work, your operations productivity and efficiency will skyrocket. I want operations managers to be successful. I want them to spend their time doing more proactive work and have more time to analyze issues for greater future success, rather than always being reactive and playing defense all the time. That's why we created OpsCheck. By the way, we have many more videos on our website, OpsCheck.com. So if you want to learn more, check them out now, or simply book a demo with me or a member of our team. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.